I learned saying no, right? That's one thing I only just recently learned. And I like doing it now because when I say no to the wrong things, it gives me more time for the right things. And I like delegating duties out. Now I use the shoppers to bring me my food and I save, I don't know, lots of hours a year that I have to devote to other things that really matter for me. If you delegate things out, you'll have more time. Not the important tasks, but maybe less important. So maybe you're cooking the main dinner. You don't want to delegate that out to someone that maybe not reliable, right? To cook the turkey or what the ham or whatnot. But what happens if you have a lot of guests and you say to all of the adults, hey, can you bring an appetizer, a wine, or a dessert, right? And you have, I don't know, a dozen adults coming, that can save you so much time and money, right? Because that's going to save you hundreds of dollars. It's going to save you all the time from wondering what to shop, going to the bakery, going to the liquor store, going to some other food store for something else. When you save time and money, you'll have more time and money to spend on things that can bring you great joy. I want to help you de-stress before the holidays. And there's lots more tips that I help you, but I can't do the squeeze them all in right here, right now. That's why I encourage you to get our de-stress before the holidays brand new bundle package. There's lots of tools in there to help you save time, save money, de-stress before the holidays so that you can enjoy the holidays more.